Yeah, man, this is Public Report, and as always, me, highly appreciate everybody for always a check in and all them something there. Well, guess what now? I'm about to drop, a little idea of mine. Sometimes watch certain things and all them something you feel like you want to create something. So me watch some dopey movie, you know what I mean? And me say to myself, me just try to create something. So this is not really a full thing like that, but me no want to know vex because me I put out some stuff. A lot of a lot of stuff still a go on. You know what I mean? So me highly appreciate everybody for do the right thing and like, share, comment and think. And this is one that me say it's a little experiment. Tell me what you think. All right? Bless up.
What's up, guys? Yeah, but just reach. It's so much earrings. Yeah, hold on there. Give me a minute with some calabash. Oh, that look like Brandon, so. Brandon, come here.
You can't see me?
What do you mean if me can't see you?
Wait. Is this Jesse?
Mm-hmm.
Hey Jesse, how you been doing?
Alright, so far. Long time me not see you. Me here say you gone missing. Missing where? They can't find you for around a couple months or 1 year. Not even remember how long they say.
Yeah, that's the last thing I remember too. People are saying me missing and all of something. And to me, it's crazy because here I am. Well, how you been?
Alright, so far, I just come back.
Just
Never
come back?
there.
Eh?
Never there for a period of time.
So where were you then? Like, foreign? Where? Up
Yeah.
with family?
We did go look for my family then.
So how was it flying in the plane and all these things? It was nice?
No, it is scary.
It was scary?
Scary bad.
So what? Is that a regular thing for your first time or?
First time.
First time. Wow, so you must have you had a wonderful time there.
Yeah, we have a wonderful time. It's just that up in the ear.
Free light sometime.
The heights.
Yeah, I can tell you about the ear. Up in the ear. Yeah, the ears. Yeah. But yeah, there. And this is where I hang out sometimes. Well, this is where I'm at. Just to chill and listen to the water. Because this time for me is very kind of different and weird. But
weird.
Well, not say weird, but as I say, as time goes along, because it's good to see you, and I really would want to see you again if possible, and so forth. So you here by yourself, no boyfriend, no nothing?
I don't have anybody at the moment.
At the moment. So where you going? You going home? Come in, must me used to have some nice good times, drink and
yeah, me did
enjoy.
that. Plan to go home because see when I come, I'm kind of feel sick already, so I plan to go home.
Oh.
When I come home. Are you not feeling raindrops?
I feel it, man. I feel it. I feel the drops.
Anyways, me come go home. You come with me or you stay?
You can come with you? Like all the times, don't you?
Yes, you can come with me. Go have a drink.
Alright, let's
and
go.
Chill.
And talk, don't you?
You can come out and do it before you're sick.
Alright, you ready? No, I never know something to leave, so. So we go there so for eternity. Yes, sir. No, man. There must
Why
be.
did you leave without my
Alright, you
permission?
ask the permission again if me go leave.
Who's that girl?
Me don't know, it's a long time friend. But wait, the
You
straight
know
face,
the
no?
deal. Next time you leave, I take your shoes.
What do you mean me go lose my shoes? What you talking about?
Brandon. Hey, you just disappeared so yesterday.
No, that man. It's like me get a call.
Why you in the same clothes?
You know, me love polo and me have a lot of them. You know how me used to shop back in the days. All the stuff.
Anyways, that me a talk about. Me a talk about how you just disappear.
Hmm?
Me only say you just slept and not even say you're gone. You just
Nah, man. You know, sometimes I tell you before, it's you know, just to call me get them to move. You can't a third time. I say to me, where you are going now? How's your family? How's your
them
mom?
alright so far.
How's your sister?
The whole of them alright.
How's the land that they live in? You know, cause sometimes I hope and pray for somebody to talk to, but me not have nobody to talk to. And seeing you know and know, so you see me, and you know, like a pretty girl like a pretty girl like
What you
you.
mean seeing
A
me and know so me seeing you?
A pretty girl.
Then everybody no can see you.
Of course, yeah, a pretty girl like you, and it's amazing. You know, it's been a while. It's been what, 1 year now. You know what I mean? And you know, get to really express myself the way I'm more expressive. You know what I mean? Not to get you can't even get a. You know, if I don't know if I explain them to you, but it's good. It's good. I'm gonna come by your house and visit you. You know what I mean? If you want me to, you have to allow me. You think we can come there?
My home is always open. No man, the mosquito here. Them too much.
Alright, you want me to do? You see later on, later on today, I'm gonna give you a visit. Yeah?
Okay.
So you come back here again. I just me come check.
We come check if you're here, so last time I summer 1 year so the same.
Exactly. I think this minute man, but I will sit down and go something over there. So, you know, I just feel like we come on that tree. You know, enjoy it a bit of time. So you want me to do? I come check you later. Alright, that's alright.
And make sure so when you come check me, you know run gun. Cause I don't understand you.
I'm not take myself. I go check you, man. I want to see you more. You know, I just say you want a company, so I believe. I know say for me and your relationship I used to have. So who I know about it?
Almost everybody.
Jesus. You want to tell everybody?
Me never tell everybody. Maybe they see we together. Yes, girl. Guess what was it today? No, yesterday. Mr. Mr. Brandon. Uh-huh. What? Of course, Brandon, Missy. What do you mean? Girl, Mr. Brandon, Missy, me, I'm not idiot, you know? I know who I saw. What do you mean by dead? So we can't see doping now. I don't understand. Hold on, girl. Give me a minute. Me so calabash. Brandon, I want to reach
I said, I come through the door, we were on the phone, so I just waited until the conversation was finished.
So
Alright?
me never hear when the door open. But I'll be the dip and I come. My next ears can hear. When I hear when I come through the door.
You were so excited. You by yourself. Anyhow, what's happening? Alright, I told you I was gonna come and see you. And I had to come and see you. You
Then the
understand me?
same shirt again.
Yeah, I have so many of these polo shirts. Come on, why are you acting like that? Do you smell something? I have a stench or something? No, I don't have any scent like that.
I never said you have any scent.
Exactly. How are you? I'm glad that you're still in the same room that we used to do all, play those games in and so forth. You remember them?
Of course, you remember them.
Yeah, man. I'm glad you do because I feel so good knowing that now I can talk to somebody and somebody can actually see me for who I am. And you know what I mean? It's amazing. You know?
Master, sometimes when you talk, me have to reconsider. You're talking weird.
No, man. Don't look at it like that. All I'm saying is that I am happy. I'm very happy. Where's your your sister? She still lives here? But she not.
She's still my mother.
She's still the mother. Okay. Alright, here we go now. I promised you, because I can't spend too much time, I don't want to, well, not say I can't spend enough time, but I don't want to, just forcing myself like this and, make, me just, you know what I mean, like get back to normal so fast. Because I know you have to think about it. I know you have to get more comfortable with me being here again. You understand? And there's a lot of things I want to tell you, but later on. You understand me?
Okay.
Are you happy to see me?
Of course, we're happy to see you.
That me I talk about. I am very elated knowing that you are always my special one. You know what I mean?
Anyway, my brother didn't want to see you, so I'm going to go call him in the room.
Your call your brother? Oh, is he here still?
He going on next week.
Alright, go on now.
My brother. How are you, girl? So, Brandon really gone again? I'm not like, what is that one? You're strange.
John, the man am look. Yo, hold on, me I come there. Idiot.
What?
Pass the ball, no, man. What? Hold on.
Talk to you
God,
about-
man. Well, me I come. Wait. Sit down, man. Sit down. Lord God, hold on. What happened now?
I want to talk to you about something.
You want to talk to him about something? What
The
happened now?
game more important than me.
No, but you don't know, say, I sat there and my game important, man. What happened now? Alright, me pause it. You want to talk to him about something, man? You know, say football game, man. Now I'm ringing there. What happened? What's so important?
So your football more important than me?
No, but you don't know, say I sat there already, man. You know, say my team, well, alright. So you put down me now. Well, wait, say now, what happened?
I want to talk to you because this is not happening. I don't understand.
What now? Talk to me, my daughter. What happened?
About Brandon.
What? Brandon? You really come to me about Brandon? Brandon missing. Brandon gone. Brandon is no more. When you get that on your ticket? How wrong with you?
Me get players say Brandon gone. Nobody can find him, but he can look for me.
Jesus
Just
Christ.
not too long ago.
You like me for carry down a Bellevue or something. What is wrong with you? Brandon gone. Skiddish gone. What wrong with your daughter? Just get that in your head now. How hard is that? How long the man miss now? A year or a little after a year or whatever, and then the range. Nobody no see a year from the man. The man gone, evaporate.
So how me see him?
Which part you take see him?
He can look for me say, in my room just not too long ago.
Jesus Christ. Your only daughter, you come like say me forget your head examine. The man gone. He no longer exists. What do you mean in a room? What you come with?
Everybody me talk about this situation, they just don't understand.
What if everybody does? Look here, a girl wanna see him and nobody not see him. There's something wrong here, my daughter. Something wrong. Just, no, you need to just move on, man. Move on, man. Forget about that. Imagine. Me and you don't know how things was hard. Things hard for you, then it hard for me. But we manage to put things together and send you away. Send you away to make you forget all about this foolishness and mishaps. And then you come back again and come back to me with this, man. This is not what I expected. I don't expect this from you. Just look here, man. I don't know. I'm so disappointed. You come like I just waste the time and energy to do all of that for you. And you come back to me with the foolishness. Brandon, gone. Gone. Just get that in your head now.
I still don't understand. Because you say I'm gone and me I see him. How does that work?
How you see him? Tell me, explain to me how you seen him.
You know when me and you sit down here so me I see you, same so me I see him. In a real life.
Why come like all the send me send anyway, come like it never make sense. Like me I forgot use all the dog matter sit when I say if you wash your eye, if you say dope, like that you do cause me not understand how you are see him and nobody else not see him. So something, you know, something like that.
So I try to say dope me I see.
If me I say dope you see, you know, how much dope you see? Or your mind, your imagination. It's your imagination. I don't put it that way. It's your imagination. Alright? So hold on. Let me ask you something. That is what you really come to me to talk to me about?
Yes, come and understand.
You really make me pause my game, feel like I look of foolishness? Eh? Anyway, I don't want to hear the foolishness. Now go back to my game. Because when you come to me, that makes sense. Come like your damn mother. I got to get it from. No, Jesus, please, the man, them score. They make me miss it. Ah! Yeah! Whoa.
Forgive me. I may have said a few things that didn't sound proper. Forgive me. I may have done a few things that shouldn't really matter. Don't blame it on the music. Blame it on a terrible dream I had last night. Forgive me. I may have had a few drinks.
Yeah, I'll be the step on this one.
Forgive me.
Missy Brandon. Right over there, so I look out on the beach.
So look like you're idiot. If say Brandon dead, wake up girl. Him dead. What happened to you?
So if he dead, how me I see him?
Your mind up play games for you.
So my man I play games for me every time I see him round 4 times.
Where must? When is your somebody?
Me see him a look out.
Look out. Same talk to you?
Yes.
Lie.
And he come on my yard.
I could do it.
One night him come on my yard.
Couldn't do it.
Him come look for me. You and daddy not believe me, why?
You're too lie because you're not seeing nobody. The boy dead. You not get that in your brain saying him dead? Well, you're gonna realize something. Him dead. Stop making him trick you about your
Come.
You fool man.
See me I tell her, see him right there so.
Stop. Me not
Him tell us
stop.
something true.
Something must be wrong with me. Because me not see nobody and you are somebody.
So where I try to say, me not see what me see. See him there so.
Now you're one lick. Stop. Me not stay so with you if you have the behavior. No. Who there so?
See him there in a green shirt.
Me not stay so with you because it's not funny anymore. You want to stay with your dead Brandon, me not want to stay.
I'm here to need that.
One fool.
Nothing like a slump and the handle in your cause too tough. You again. Well, I know it's same spotter over the city day first time.
I'm on this ear, my ear. So am I alright?
Not really. Because I'm still trying to figure out something.
What you do?
I'm here, my friend did come a while ago and me see and she didn't see you. What's going on?
Listen, there's no one who can explain them the thing because that must be some illusion to she. No. But at the end of the day,
I must sign the first time I see you, so rain did that come. See rain that come.
can I feel the rain for you?
You not feel it.
Alright, you know what? I don't really feel like I need to be honest with you.
Boy, we're going to
It's
be
like-
honest with both now.
I'm gonna want to be scared. You understand?
Yeah, already I get me scared.
Yeah, but me know I be scared. Just trust me. Right? Since about, me don't know, maybe 6 months ago, somebody just give me one opportunity to stay up on the beach. I'm there up on the beach and me I try to talk to people and nobody not hear me, nobody not see me. For the past 6 months, it's like me just there in our zone. So when me tell you say, me happy for you see me and all them something there, it's because
Oh, that
nobody...
makes sense.
Eh?
Yeah, talk saying no make no sense.
You make no sense?
No. None of what you say no make sense.
Alright, try touch me.
Jaja. I want to go on there, so.
You not feel go and say, come here now.
Oh! Me? Me if you come back there, so. You must be mad.
Are you the only person can see me? Something have to be different. Come now, me talk
Oh!
to you.
You must lick your brain.
Alright, listen to me. You know it's hard for you to understand and it must difficult. But something more special about you why you can see me.
I ain't coming there.
Oh, Jesse, just trust me now.
Me if you
Just
trust you.
me, please, just understand. Say, there must be something special about you, Jesse.
So let me get this straight. All of my people, them just say true.
A true about what?
You're dead.
Me don't know about that yet. So why am I here still and a room with the landlord?
And then that question, why you only me I see you?
That me want to find out. You wait though. Go home and rest off. We can come back here later
Come back where?
and come check you and have a talk with you. Me have to talk to you, Jesse. Me happy.
So why me?
Eh? That's the reason why I know. That's why. Alright. Just give me until later on. Then we'll find out the real reason. Alright? Alright, Jesse? Just trust me. And we talk. Just, alright. See you later if I solve the case. And nobody tell nobody. Don't tell nobody about this. This is just between me and you. Alright?
What's up?
What, you alright?
Yeah, me not
Nice
see
to see you, man, you know. You know what say? Hold on, come here, me and talk. Right here, sir. Come here, sir. Right here, sir. You know what say? Just the other day, just I talk about you. Yeah, man.
No. Yeah, have a conversation. Don't call a mad girl. You're not a man, you know?
Hold on. Back up. Let me get to understand. The girl talk highly of you, and you're not her friend, and when you just call her?
She mad. You know where me come from so well ago?
No, man, listen to me, man. Me have to really establish what I'm going on here because she talks so highly of you, and then you greet me and I say, she mad. What
And
kind
I
of...
say me a discriminate your daughter or me a go on like say your daughter. You better say your daughter but she mad. You know where me I come from? Me I come from a beach park. But she bring me and say, Brandon is alive. I'm about, see Brandon there to Jesus.
You're rotted. Jesus.
Our.
Oh, hold on. The Brandon argument there. Lord Jesus Christ. Alright.
This is say, me not crazy when me say she mad.
Yeah, but listen to me. Let me go put this. I understand what she going through. She go through some things. And I beg you, you see as a friend, as me say she talk earlier, you see she talk about her all the while. So, would I like if you just try to talk to her and guide her? I mean, understand? Why I don't know?
Me can't deal with the bad
Yeah, but
energy.
me know, man.
Every
But,
time she come on Brandon this, see Brandon, I'm scared. Me can't do it.
yeah, but she need help.
She come to you about the same argument too?
Yes. But, you know, she shall come to me as her father. But when I tell her, say, I beg you just try and help her. Because you see the stage. Why I don't know?
You should not take no talk from me. I want, you have to literally walk off of the beach, leave her now.
Listen, at them time, I say she need friends. I'm going to ask her, please. Just.
I'm going to try my best too.
Yeah, man, not bother with. Yeah, but when you say she mad and people go say that now, you know.
But if she keep up the behavior, the people
Yeah.
go say she mad for true.
Yeah, but me I beg you, just swear you can do for me.
Alright.
Why that Abraham and argument?
Me go and try. Me go and try and talk to her. You know, never go worry about me. I promise you I'm going to talk to her.
Right. Why rough, you know, man. I tell you, man, your daughter grow up good. And then, you know, all them turn and next thing the people are going to say, boy, my daughter schizophrenic. And that's how she stay. I understand all of a sudden this one man just boom and then you hear say, boy, missing and all them stuff and she see man and what. If she could have just erased that out of her head, man, she good to go,
and
man.
And then me tell her stuff to stop because...
Yeah, man, sure. Yo, then something I tell her, man. Trust me, man.
I'm going to try to talk to her,
Yeah,
okay?
man, I tell her, man, you have a youth and them thing out, man. You know, sure. Anyway.
I said, me I got print out
My
to
med
her,
still
so
in there.
later.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yes.
Tell you reach.
Put on the plate. We talk to you. You hear me? What I tell her? Today, a friend, Javian, right? Why? I come out of like a business place and I book up in her. And she give me some insight. Some things that go on between you and what you have to say.
Oh, may I say?
Yeah, listen. Alright, listen, my daughter. Listen to me. I care a lot about you. I care a lot about you. You're my only daughter. And the road where you take right now, you need to stand up and think what you do. Brandon gone. And when she come to me today and tell me certain things, then I tell her, say, trust me, man, do you know how I feel? You have to go rise up and do something, man. You can't. Listen to me, no, man. You have to bring on yourself, man. Just get it out of your head now. I'm gone. What you want me to do?
I'm gone and I see you. And that me no get. Because only say I'm gone, right? And me still a see you. And me wanna see you.
Then I thank you very much. And you wanna see him. Nobody wanna see him. He not really not exist. What you want me to do?
But you talk to me like he real.
Yeah, but that is not real. What you want me to carry down a Bellevue? You want me to carry a Ward
But me
21?
not mad. You know what me
I
say?
saw me say it a reach because at the end of the day, this make no sense. It make no sense. Just rise up and stop with the foolishness, man. You know how me feel today when she look at how she talk. Look how she used to talk highly of you. And then she make it look like, say, boy, I never want to look a mad daughter. I don't like that, man. It hurt me hard. I me grow you. Oh, look here, man. I beg you, please. Please. Just hear what me I say. It might have hard, me don't know where you see or where you are. Me don't understand. Me can't get in your head. But you need to calm and just come back to me. Come back. A foolishness, man. What you want me to do? What you want me to do?
Right now my head hurt me, you know.
Your head off, you hurt you.
Because I don't understand the whole of this. But we get to your sister.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Tell me what you gonna do. What you gonna do?
Right now I don't know enough not to think about that. I play them with the hour shop.
I know say I play it and watch, but you just have to listen to me. I don't like, me don't want to take the road there. Me don't want to take the road there. Please, me I beg you. Just come out of your shell and come out. Just come back to me, man. Just forget about the Brandon thing, man, please. I love you, you know. I love you. Alright? Please, just try so you can do.
We'll try. But me
I
not
try.
promise.
No.
I'll
You are
try.
going to do it. You are going to do it. You are going to do it. I don't want you promise that you're going to do it. All right?
Alright, me hear you.
All right? Anyway, when you finish, wash up and support. Me have something else more here. I don't know if you did that, but something else. Just so me see you.
Alright.
All right, me run back.
Forgive me. I may have said a few things that didn't sound proper. Forgive me. I may have done a few things that shouldn't really matter. Don't blame it on the music. Blame it on a terrible dream I had last night. Forgive me.
Why you're not pick up?
That goes through my head. Forgive me.
If I can get fearful.
Little things can leave a man insane. I declare
Well, on. You know, say, I really want to talk to you though, because I don't have nobody to talk to right about now. And my father want me to talk to. All they have time for me. All they have for brain is football. I don't know where football can go. So you have the time? Alright. So you know, say me and Brandon did close, right? When me say close, really close, we did in love with him bad. And from him magically disappear and gone, and we don't know where he gone and we can't find him. Me, my emotions, my heart, it get ripped apart. Him gone with half a hit. My father look for me and call me. They're gonna ask me if me alright and ask if me I run mad. So I'm like, you supposed to be my father. You're supposed to have my back. You're not supposed to tell me one bag of negativity. So I say, alright then, since as you don't believe me, I go to my friend. My other friend. So we got to her now, I said the same thing. Make it look like say me I run mad or me mad in my brain or something. What they call me a certain name. So in my mind now, I say, how on earth Brandon fi dead? Cause them say Brandon dead and gone long time. So I say, how on earth Brandon fi dead and me constantly see him? Long and short, me see something happen weird with you. Even me not explain to you cause you not gonna believe me, cause my father don't believe me and say me I go mad already. So me don't feel like you are gonna believe me. No, me would have to meet you face to face to explain. Some weird stuff are going on. Why you not hear me? So me not talk to him about it, because I talk to him about the situation already and he's like, alright, I'm gonna listen to you. I'm gonna try one last time and see how that works. I'm gonna try one last time. Alright then. Later. Subscribe yet.